Well, hello, YouTube.
So, I was cleaning my 40 here, and there's these little baby plecos with tails sticking out of the eggs. And there's way more of them, but they got kind of scattered once I picked it up, and I'm still messing with it. I probably shouldn't be. But, man, I got a ton of Bristol plecos. Like, there's a lot. But I don't know if it's going to focus. But in this pile of shrimps, yeah, there's the bristle nose right on the glass right there. It's not focusing well. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. My camera's messing up on me. Anywho, we'll just say these ones right here, those are from my filter alone. That's what came out of my filter. I don't know how many is there. I'd say 30 at least. Maybe 25, 30, I don't know. Gelato. Meanwhile, I caught a bunch of my pygmies and put them in my special box over here. I still got baby Daniel fry in there I'm working on. My tank's real dirty. I'm just putting it back together now. Ooh, that fish don't look very happy. Yeah, there's a... It's really not letting me focus. But yeah, there's babies all over. That's a baby. That's not a shrimp. That's a baby pleco. Bristle nose. Oh, there's an albino one. I've seen a few albinos. I got a lot of green ones. A lot. Oh, and I got a new ornament. Yeah, I can't see through the fog. I got a new wood ornament from my cousin. Thanks, Brad. He's moving or whatever, and he had to give up his little 10-gallon tank and gave me a bunch of supplies with it. Got this little mini hose. All kinds of goodies. There's an air pump. I already put the air pump away, so I'm not going to dig it out. But anyways, I'm just kind of dealing with this mess tonight. I wasn't expecting all them pleco babies. They're everywhere. Everywhere. Don't even know what to do with them. I guess I throw them in and get some size on them. Hope I can trade them. I moved that plant over there. I still got to put all my junk back in there. Okay. Over here. Oh, I got a tea bag in there. Shrimp on the Barbie. Nothing going on over here, except for I threw a couple bristle nose baby plecos in there. Only like 3 or 4. I didn't want to go crazy with it. Yeah, there's one right there. So yeah, I'm just making the video because all these plecos I found. I knew there were some babies in there, but I had no idea how many. I was like, oh my god, I didn't think there was that many. I got piles of plants laying around. It's too bad I live way out away from the city. It's hard to trade stuff. Nobody out here has fish really. Oh, I'm teabagging again. I changed this one last night. Move some stuff around. Water change. Oh, these are some of the foods I got from my cousin and his woman. Just a random pet. Oh, here's a cup full of them some of those eggs I tried to save, but see, they got tails. I don't know if you can see it or not, but they're swimming around. Their tails are broke out. So yeah, I got a ton of eggs. Lots and lots of plecos right now. Guppy fry. I put a bunch of them guppy fry in my pond, but it looks like there's still a bunch left. Oh, by the way, I scrapped the pond. It turned green on me. All the fish died. Only thing alive in there was shrimp, and I just didn't need the mosquitoes, so I decided to end the pond experiment. You want a trumpet snail? Not very healthy in this tank, but they are over here. These trumpet snails are healthy. Too many of them. They really came out since I changed the tank yesterday. Oh, there was way more shrimp in here than I thought. You just can't ever see them. They're hiding in there. There was a lot across the bottom because I took everything out. But I don't got no food in there or nothing, so. Anywho, I gotta try to keep moving here on my fish tank. I got the water back in. I know it don't look clean, but that's because I moved that plant. It was coming out of the soil and the roots weren't doing good. Its little brother's hiding back there behind it. I might have to move it again. I'm not sure what to do. My crypt's still alive barely. That fish looks like it's struggling. He might not make it. I'm going to skip the goldfish tank. We're going to jump down the hall here. Yeah, here's the tank my cousin gave me. Had a little stand with it. Yeah, so there's that. My messy floor. Whew. This tank, I got some, like 3 red platy fry. Coral platies. Some shrimps and that. It's just a little mini tank. Wait, don't mind my dirty floor. Oh. My wife bought me a heater for this one. Or for her daughter's fish, we'll say. So I got a new little heater from Walmart. It's got a little digital thing for it. First time I had one like that. Oh, it is kind of tanning because I had tea bag in there too. I thought it might help the goldfish. Keep his skin better. Help everything out. That's why it's tanning looking. I just changed it last week. Something like that. But yeah, there's that. A little Clint Eastwood. No, I just wanted to share the pleco adventure I'm on right now. I don't think I've had this big of an explosion in a while. And I gotta get this thing put back together, so you guys take care and peace.